Hello good day viewers. In this tutorial we are going to factorize the quadratic function 3x² plus 4x minus 9. Remember in our previous lesson I told you every form of quadratic equation can be factorized. But I realize it is not nice to factorize a quadratic expression when the leading coefficient is not 1. So in this tutorial we are going to factor out the 3, which is the leading coefficient, then factorize our quadratic expression left, then multiply by 3 in the end. All right, this is exactly what I mean. If you bring out the 3 inside, this becomes x squared plus 4 divided by 3x minus 3. You have to divide every single term here by 3. These expressions are exactly the same. So we are going to factorize this. In the end, we are going to multiply by this 3 outside. Remember the formula I gave you. To factorize this, you need this formula: x plus b divided by 2a, then minus d. You multiply this by x plus b divided by 2a, then plus d. All right, first of all, what is b divided by 2a? Let me bring down my data. A is the leading coefficient, which we have here as 1, which is the leading coefficient here. Then b is the coefficient of x, which is 4 divided by 3. Then c, which is the constant, is negative 3. So we can plug a and b here and here. So this becomes x plus b, which is 4 divided by 3, divided by 2a. A is already 1, so 2 times 1 is 2. If you divide this by 2, you're going to obtain 2 divided by 3, right? So this is 2 divided by 3, then minus d. Then you multiply by x plus 2 divided by 3 plus d. But remember I told you, if you multiply this 2 times this and this, you're going to obtain c divided by a. So now let us multiply them together. 2 divided by 3 minus d multiplied by 2 divided by 3 plus d. This is the same thing as c divided by a. All right, if you observe, this is just difference of two squares. You take the first term, this, you square that, you get 4 divided by 9. You subtract d squared. This is equal to c divided by a. C is negative 3, a is 1. So negative 3 divided by 1 is still negative 3. All right, from here, you can make d the subject. D squared is now equal to 4 divided by 9 plus 3. And 4 divided by 9 plus 3 is equal to 31 divided by 9. And from here, you can take the square root of both sides. D is equal to the square root of 31 divided by 9, which is equal to square root of 31 divided by 3, because square root of 9 is 3. So you can replace d with square root of 31 divided by 3. So what we have is now x plus 2 divided by 3 minus d, which is square root of 31 divided by 3. Then you multiply this with x plus 2 divided by 3 plus d, which is square root of 31 divided by 3. We are almost done. Since we have common denominators here, you can combine the two fractions. So this is x plus 2 minus square root of 31 divided by 3, then multiplied by x plus 2 plus square root of 31 divided by 3. But remember that this is just the factorized form of this quadratic expression given here, but we still have 3 outside. Therefore, we can multiply those factors with 3. Let me just copy this. So to fully factorize this, because this is equivalent to this, all we have to do is to multiply these factors with 3, right? Therefore, finally, this is equal to 3 multiplied by x plus 2 minus square root of 31 divided by 3, then multiplied by x plus 2 plus square root of 31 divided by 3. We are done, but if you like, you can distribute this 3 inside. It doesn't matter. Let us do that. we have 3 times x, which is going to give us 3x, plus if you multiply the second term by 3, it will eliminate the denominator, leaving 2 minus square root of 31. Then you multiply by the other factor, x plus 2 plus square root of 31 divided by 3, and hence fully factorized. This is the same thing as the original quadratic expression given, which is 3x squared plus 4x minus 9, right? So if you multiply these two factors together, you have to obtain this quadratic expression, and you can do that. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.